You didn't kill that plant. The soil did. Every guide, every YouTube video, every well-meaning advice, all of it told you the same thing. Soil, pots, drainage holes, fertilizer, and you followed it. And the plant died anyway. Here's what they never mentioned. There's a category of plants that soil actually suffocates. Plants that are biologically wired to grow in nothing but water, cleaner, faster, longer than any potted plant you've ever owned. And one of them, the last one on this list, does something to the air in your home that most people find genuinely hard to believe when they first hear it. Here's a fact that changes everything you think you know about plants. Plants don't actually need soil. They need nutrients and oxygen. Soil is just one way to deliver them. Remove the soil, give them clean water, and many plants don't just survive, they accelerate. University of Florida researchers confirmed it directly. Certain species grow just as well, or better, in water than in soil. This isn't experimental. It's established horticulture practiced for decades. And NASA? They studied these exact plants for use inside sealed space stations. You'll see exactly why in a moment. Some of these plants you've probably seen before. But the last one on this list, almost nobody talks about it. And if you've ever failed at keeping plants alive, that specific one is the reason you won't fail again. Starting with number one, plant number one, and this is the one apartment dwellers worldwide swear by, pothos. In 1989, NASA ran a clean air study to find out which plants could actually purify air inside sealed environments. Pothos was one of the top performers, actively removing formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene from the air. Those aren't abstract chemicals. Formaldehyde comes from your furniture and flooring, benzene from paint and cleaning products, xylene from adhesives. If you've ever felt headaches, fatigue, or brain fog in a closed apartment, this is what's causing it. And this plant quietly deals with it while you go about your day. Starting in water takes 2 minutes. Cut a 4-6-inch stem with 2-3 nodes. Drop it in a clean glass jar. Change the water every week. Bright indirect light. 1 drop of liquid fertilizer once a month. That's it. Nothing expensive. Nothing expensive. Those trailing vines in a clear glass jar on a shelf or desk, it looks intentional, designed, and it costs almost nothing to achieve. 1 cutting becomes 5, 5 becomes 20. This is the plant that multiplies for free. The next plant has been placed in homes across Asia for centuries, not just for beauty, but for one very specific belief about what it brings into a space. Plant number 2, lucky bamboo. You've probably seen this one before. In a supermarket, a home store, maybe a friend's desk. What most people never realize is that it wasn't sitting in water temporarily. That is its permanent home. Lucky bamboo has been a symbol of luck and prosperity in Asian homes and premium interiors worldwide for centuries. The Missouri Botanical Garden confirms it adapts naturally to vase environments. No tricks, no adjustments. You buy it pre-rooted, clean water, some pebbles, indirect light, a water change every 2 weeks. That is the entire care routine. Sculptural stalks and a tall glass vase. It looks architectural and intentional without costing you anything close to what it looks like it cost. The third plant has a unique biological feature that makes it almost impossible to kill, even if you forget about it completely for 2 weeks. Have you ever owned a plant that actually wanted to survive? One that fought to stay alive no matter what you did wrong? Drop in the comments, because this next one might be the first time you experience that. Plant number 3, heartleaf philodendron. This plant evolved aerial roots specifically designed to pull moisture from air and surfaces. Putting it in water isn't a workaround. It's exactly what its biology is built for. The Royal Horticultural Society recommends water propagation for this plant directly. This is natural, not forced, and it is genuinely resilient. This plant will forgive every mistake you make as a beginner. Inconsistent light, irregular water changes, complete neglect for days. It keeps growing. It also actively removes toxins from indoor air, connecting directly to everything pothos started doing on your shelf. Cascading vines in a glass jar on a floating shelf or hanging planter. Modern, organic, zero effort to achieve. Weekly water change. Bright and direct light. No fertilizer needed for months. We're almost the last 2, and one of them does something remarkable that most people find hard to believe when they first hear it. Plant number 4, spider plant. Back in 1989, NASA tested hundreds of plants for one purpose, cleaning air in sealed environments. Spider plant made the top of that list. It removes formaldehyde and carbon monoxide, The same carbon monoxide coming from your gas stove, your candles, your garage, it's in your home right now. But here's the part that's genuinely hard to believe. Spider plants produce spederettes, miniature babies on long stems that root in water within days. One plant becomes dozens. University of Georgia researchers confirmed it thrives in permanent water culture, performing as well as soil, indefinitely. After the first plant, your cost is zero. No soil, no replacements, no spending. It just keeps multiplying. Arching leaves with natural light and dark striping, fresh, cheerful, alive in any room. The last plant is the one most apartment dwellers completely overlook. Compact, elegant, and it shows visible roots in water faster than almost anything else on this list. Plant number 5. Syngonium arrowhead plant. Every plant list talks about large, trailing vines. Nobody talks about the plant that actually fits your desk, your bedside table, your bathroom shelf, and looks better in those spaces than anything else on this list. Syngonium. Place a stem cutting in water, and you'll see visible roots within 5 to 7 days. Not weeks, days. North Carolina State University confirms it thrives in water culture long term. For anyone who has ever doubted whether this actually works, this plant removes that doubt within a week. Arrow-shaped leaves in green, pink, and variegated forms. You can match it to whatever your space already looks like. It stays compact. It never overwhelms a small surface. It just sits there looking intentional and alive. Stem cutting in water. Weekly water change. Medium to bright indirect light. No fertilizer needed. 5 plants, all thriving in water. All proven by research. All within reach. Today, most people who fail with water plants don't fail because of the plant. They fail because of 5 mistakes nobody warned them about. First, stagnant water. If you're not changing it weekly, bacteria and algae build up and rot the roots from below. The plant didn't fail. The water failed the plant. 30 seconds, once a week. Second, direct sunlight on clear glass. UV light triggers algae explosions. The water turns green within days and suffocates the roots. Move the jar 2 to 3 feet back from the window. Third, the jar itself. Clear glass in any bright spot accelerates algae. Switch to tinted or opaque containers, and your water stays clean significantly longer. Fourth, over-fertilizing. 1 drop of liquid fertilizing. 1 drop of liquid fertilizer once a month. That's it. The person trying to help their plant with extra fertilizer is always the one whose plant dies first. Fifth, unfiltered tap water. Chlorine stresses roots over time. Let tap water sit uncovered for 24 hours before using it. Free fix, immediate results. These are not complicated rules. 5 habits, less than 5 minutes a week. Get these right and your water plants will outlive every soil plant you have ever owned. Research shows that living greenery reduces cortisol, improves focus, and lowers anxiety. Scientists call it biophilia, the human need for nature. For anyone living in an apartment, these plants aren't decoration. They're the nature you can't step outside to find. Picture your desk with a compact syngonium sitting in a clean glass jar, pothos trailing from your bedroom shelf, lucky bamboo by your front entrance, all of it growing in water. All of it quietly cleaning your air. The total investment? A few glass jars and 1 small packet of cuttings. Less than a takeout meal. No soil bags, no pest sprays, no repotting, no monthly replacements. And the best part? You can start today with whatever glass jar is already sitting in your kitchen. Which one are you starting with? Drop it in the comments. And if you've already tried growing plants in water, I want to hear what happened. The next video covers exactly how to set up your first water garden from scratch, using only things you already have at home. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Your home deserves greenery. Now you know exactly how to get it. 0 mess, 0 guesswork, and $0 wasted. Description: you've killed plants before. This video explains exactly why, and shows you the 5 plants that thrive in plain water. No soil needed. NASA-studied, research-backed, and beginner-proof. Every plant in this list is proven to purify indoor air, costs almost nothing to start, and will outlive every soil plant you've ever owned. If you live in an apartment and want real greenery without the mess, the guilt, or the dead plants, this is where you start. Sources and references: NASA Clean Air Study, 1989. HTTPS: NatStats 8S at his 1993 Dover 770770 University of Florida IFAS extension. Growing Indoor Plants in Water, HTTPS, adsasahs.ufobest.ufobest.do/publication/publications P42H404040 University of Wisconsin-Madison Extension Pothos and Water Cultural Missouri Botanical Garden Freebeck Royal Horticultural Society Phimoten Widable Quotidence that is based Nidib Flycomidab Discitedius Bededicadesid. Always follow proper plant care practices. Hashtags no soil plants, number parton plants, number water plants tants, number water plants pangs, indoor plants in water, plants that grow in water, no soil house plants, water propagation indoor plants, low maintenance indoor plants, ear purifying plants, apartment, beginner indoor plants, ear purifying plants, apartment indoor plants, Fitterdend, water, lucky bamboo water, spider plant water culture, syngonium water culture, Nasiclinera plants, Itporat plant plants,